Home Alone. Togetherness. Togetherness. So we'll be playing the birthday. Beginner version. 1, 2, 3, go. Mali. Ulit. Yung kanina yung play ko. Flowers. We were gold. Di ba yun? We were gold. We were gold. Ay. Di ba? Ay, mali. Isangin na pala. Bala. So, I'm wearing jacket. Oo, jacket. Ay, jacket. Long sleeve na lang. I'm wearing long sleeve today because feeling ko malamig dito sa Alaminos. Kasi nakalipat mo na ako. Kakaligo ko lang. That's why feeling ko malamig. It's a crop top. Actually, it's a crop top. Feeler. May tiping na siya. Hindi ko pa siya nabibilan ng bag. Wala kami, it's Tuesday today, February 13, 2024. And it's like 2:30 p.m. At wala kaming pasok. I assume na wala kaming pasok kasi this morning, nag-meeting yung teacher namin onwards daw. So probably until now, I guess, may meeting sila. And they are preparing for the upcoming intrams. That's why they're busy. And hindi na pumasok kasi mamamalingki lang. At bukas na kayo mamalingki para for tomorrow, for our Asian cuisine. And we're going to prepare Indonesian salad. Karidok. Basta sila bani ang mag-prepare. And I'm a dishwasher. Ang toka ko ay dishwasher lang. Kasi the previous Asian cooking namin, I'm the cook. my I don't have a, I still have popcorn grains. Ano popcorn grain? Corn grains. Popcorn. So, kanina, nag-prepare ako ng letters. Letters. Nag-prepare ako ng letters. Uy, I think dark green is good for me. I look good here kasi, kuha ng camera. Maganda lang camera. Tsara! So, nag-prepare ako ng letters. Actually, these are Bible verses. Yes. Happy Hearts Day. Bible verse. For example, this one I wrote. God shows His love for us in that while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Romans 5 verse 8. So I'll be giving these verses with Happy Hearts Day along with my presents to my friends. Friends. Yes, 9. Yes. Yes. Yes, I made I made their presents because it's a bracelet. So I'm the one who made that one. So I prepared uh present for them because I want them to feel love because it's Heart's Day tomorrow, February 14. Yes. And I'm okay with it. I'm happy. I'm happy doing it. Yes, it gives me happiness. But my mind saying, even though they're not doing the same, it's okay. At least I've shared my love and I show my love to them. I share my love for you. Mas ingipin ko. Yes. Yung ginawa ko nandun sa I should probably get it. Wait. I'm back with the present. So I probably hope that this would at least they may like it. Yes. And this may fit them. I don't know. Nag-base lang ako sa aking wrist. Ang aking wrist ay mapayap. My mom and dad are not around because they go to Ulanoy to visit a funeral. Do you call it funeral? No, it's not funeral. To visit what do you call? Yes, I guess it's funeral. Does it do you call it? Lamoy na kasi. Should I remove this one? So I made up my mind. So, ang wrapper niya ay a magazine, a brochure. Oops. Titi. Ay, so, may chicha eh, meron. I hope so. So, these are your presents. Look how beautiful it is. Kasi nito na, pangit pala kayo. Nito na, hirap siyang alisin. Oh, it's a bad decision. So, I made up my mind. Oops, I hope it won't rip. Yeah. So this is how it looks. I put it in separate yes envelope. Yes, I made this one and this one ribbon, but it's a heart. When we look this way, it's a heart, but you cannot see the beauty. You cannot see. But this is hard. This is what it looks like, and I could. I should get. Mm, I'll pick one anonymously. Anonymously. Kuha ako ng isa. Then, ay, ilan ko. Siyempre dapat kung ano yung message sa kanila. So this one. Okay, I'll be putting it here. Or in the front. Oo, sa in front na lang para at least kitang-kita. Ito. Oh, ah! Nahulog siya. So, I guess you have to put it like this. Put it like this. Inside. Put it inside. Oh, like that. Like this. Oh, I've inserted it inside. Man. With this one. So, this is how it looks like. But it doesn't look good. I should put it inside. Should I or should I? Shouldn't. Or should I just put it like this? This one. So, oh, like that. Much prettier. This much. Oh, diba? Oh, doesn't fall. Okay. Maybe. I like this. I'm happy. So, okay, guys. Haba na siya. Gonna go na, bye.